MeghalayaPost.news.
Hakasngip kun no iklimpung ilekai sports jongka office district sports officer Bhoi ka Saint Alfred secondary school marngar kalalong ka school kabala kurbun teliki point habaro ki jingeko bat kala kursen dan ka nam Lahduh overall champion hakate kalimpung district level inter school athletics meet jong snam hajar punrio yakate kalimpung ilekai sports kabala sngi lawan penhap lamano do MLA ka nongpoh kum kongsan hakabala sakhi langru do ba Arshadam DSEO Bhoi kum sembut kongsan imarang assistant commissioner ka Bhoi ba Bobby L Nongbet district sports officer lambat kiwei nakaliang ka office UDSU kalasam ru iki khusnam best team hakate kasngi hakaba hakakudan under 14 ki kenthai lara da ka MECL secondary school kerdam kulai bar hakaliang ki shenrang lara da ka nong sangu secondary school hakakardan under 16 pan hakaliang ki kenthai lara da ka Saint Alfred secondary school marngar bar ka Saint Paul high secondary school nongpoh hakaliang ki shenrang kadba ka under 18 pan lara da ka nong tulu high secondary school D1 hakaliang ki kenthai bar ka Saint Paul high secondary school hakaliang ki shenrang hakani kasngi pen nakaliang ka office UDSU kalapan kuburam ru ikinoi lekai sports ki bakhur takma hakijingi lekai sports haki kurdan national level balapan dan buram ru ya ka kemi jong ka samla retina hanse kanong lekai sports jong ka district ka barang suklat shen nakaliang ka office jong UDSU kalapan tip bakila dabru banjit ikinoi lekai sports nakate kalimpung kiban sale ishimenta sha state level hakabakin haban pun kure bha batkilan met bhak na bakin yowan ra ikanam job hakate kalimpung.
Parents, brothers and sisters, friends and all our dear athletes, without which this athletic meet has no meaning. And all others present here, a warm welcome to you all to this closing function of the district level inter-school athletic meet 2026 Bhoi district. Over the past 3 days, we have witnessed remarkable talent, determination and true sportsmanship from all participants. Each athlete has given their best, not just to win, but to uphold the spirit of fair play and teamwork. Dear athletes, whether you have won or not, your participation itself is a great achievement. Congratulations to that. At the closure of this meet, it gives me immense pleasure, sir, to brief you that a record-breaking 45 schools, that is a total of 1,350 athletes, has taken active part here at the district level meet in these 3 pulsating days. So, new records has been set at this edition of the athletic meet. Impressive records. Winners have been scattered between many different schools and not concentrating on only a few, like in many years. As per the observation of the Meghalaya Athletic Association, one of the coaches was here in the last 2 days. Around 10 potential athletes has been identified to attend the preparatory camps for the national competitions, and some to attend the national games preparation as well. One individual athlete has been selected immediately yesterday, I think, to join the state Khelo India Center in Shillong. The performances of the schools at this district level inter-school athletic meet has been very competitive this year and promising as compared to the other years. It's so aspiring to learn about that, in fact. What's important now is for the athletes who will be selected to represent the district to prepare well and shine at the state level competition, which is going to be held in Shillong in the next month, in a few weeks from now.
They are loser, but we must remember one thing. As Swami Vivekananda rightly said, to each and every one of you, which will motivate you, arise, awake, and do not stop until you achieve your goal. Among all of you students, athletes who are present here today, many of you have got gold medal, silver medal, bronze medal. Those many of you who haven't had a privilege to have a medals, it doesn't matter, you can try next time. I wish you all the best. All the athletes who are present here, when you will go back from this place this evening, you will go back with memories that you will carry forever, that you will remember the kind of events that has been organized in this very ground. To all the athletes, the principal, the student who are here, as well as officials from the Sports and Education Department, I must place on record my sincere thanks to the Sports Department, as I have said in my opening remark. And I'm thankful to the department that in the next 2 years, we are going to have a ground which will be a place in which you can perform well, which will be known as a synthetic athletic track here in Pahang Sim. The work has started, the work order has been issued, and this synthetic athletic track come natural ground. It has been made at the cost of 14 crore. The work has already started, and I hope that in the next 2 years, the district level and the school athletic meets will be conducted in the very new ground in which each and every one of you can perform, you can display your skill on the ground, which will be available for each and every one of you. And I hope that the dream and aspiration of the young boys and girls of Bhoi district, we have seen a good example that has been led from the front, or at least that has been just facilitated here. I forgot the name of each and everyone, but I remember Andrisha Klein. I met. She's one of the athletes who have just recently won medals from the event that has been held in Orissa. As other athletes also who have brought glory and laurel to the state. At the same time, ngasko banpa kajing skolam makane kaposi badan batni hangi ibala klat hagajing jaga basusi accident hangi po sumer. Kajing jaga basusi ide iwei neki athletes ibala pendan kurang ya kariboi district kabi ke jongi andre isuto kajing im jongi kibreu kamshong hangi ke shong hau try nongpoh nong thau lai bit ban shimno i shalade hagapor kaba idang samla idang por idang dan klan ba idang gandru hapo jong training ban pentibit ilade ban sim benta haga national games kan balong house nap arga nyo kong pidan hangni iso ban pha iso lem yepi play naik jing jathat i ga yeng ga sep ga dupi onang kerku yepi hagi por gi banangwan
MeghalayaPost.news